Today I unboxed the Roost stand. This is a very popular ergonomic laptop stand that is also compact enough to use for travel. If you're looking to not strain your neck all the time by looking down at your monitor, this will prop it up. It is expensive. This cost about $90, and there are competitors on the market for a third of this price. But there's actually a lot of debate whether the price is worth it, and it's not a conclusive answer. A lot of people say the extra price is worth it because the quality and durability of the Roost stand versus the competitors, the neck stand, and so forth, is just worth it. So first and foremost, this is the latest version, the V3, and I'm noticing that it does not come with a little like protective pouch. I saw that in other unboxings. It had a protective pouch that it came with, and I also saw some reviews from a few months ago on Amazon that somehow Amazon had been sending them the neck stand, which is the cheaper competitor of this. That's probably like a supply chain issue where they accidentally just put the wrong product into the case. But I seem to have lucked out because that does say Roost on it, so I did get the proper one. So essentially there's three heights, and now it looks like there's 7 settings to this. I think the V2 and V1 only has 3 settings, and they adjusted the 7 settings to keep up with their much cheaper competitors. Now look how compact it is. You can really take this and just carry it with you if you want to travel. But the idea is to basically open it up like that, put the laptop on, and use it. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. It also is supposedly made in the US only. So if you want to support US only, local businesses or whatnot, this could be a good way to do so. Now, is this worth the 3 times price tag? I really was unsure, and I was this close to just buying the neck stand, but let's take a look. So let's take a look here. It opens up like so, and vavoom. You got a nice little laptop stand for your laptop. Now, essentially what makes this stand higher quality and costing $90 instead of $30, I mean, this is the one stand that you see all the time on YouTube, is apparently the rubber on the sides. Now, I'm not exactly sure. I think it's like this. What rubber they're talking about. I think it's this here. It feels more like plastic than rubber. Yeah, the whole thing does feel kind of plasticky. And essentially, I guess you just prop it up like that and put your laptop on there. Now, how do you actually keep it locked in? Maybe it's one of these things here. I wish it must come with instructions, right? No, this is just your suggested height. And wow, it does not even come with instructions in here. So I saw a lot of comments on Amazon reviews saying how much better this is and how it's worth the investment. But I have a feeling whoever's selling these is just making quite the margin despite the price hike. Because, there's no